All right, in today's Everyday AI, we're going to ask it some information that is UC San Diego specific. So I'm going to go to the UC San Diego assistant. Let's say I am a new staff member, right? I'm just joining UC San Diego. I'm really excited, but I'm really unfamiliar with what parking is all about and how do you buy a permit and that sort of thing. So today I'm going to ask it, what are the steps for purchasing a parking permit, right? Now, again, if I were to ask this question in any other AI tool, if I were to ask it in ChatGPT or Bing AI or any of the other AI tools, um, it would sort of search everywhere on the internet, right? It would say, you want to buy a permit? Well, it kind of depends on where you're at and who the person is and is there a meter, right? It might give you a really generic response. So that's part of the benefit of TritonGPT, more specifically the UC San Diego assistant, is that you can ask it questions and it will respond with UC San Diego specific context. So based on the documents provided, here's the steps. So you determine your eligibility. Are you faculty, staff, student, that sort of thing. You choose the kind of permit that you're going to need. And then if you're eligible for the parking permit, you can purchase one online through the transportation system. Once you've purchased your permit, et cetera, you'll need to park in a designated space. And then again, of course, we want you to go to these sources. So always read through this and sort of do the sniff test for now. Make sure that it actually the context makes sense, because if it gave me something really weird, I might want to change some of the context here. I might want to say, tell me more about how to buy an OB sticker or a faculty or staff sticker, right? Tell me more specifics about what do I need in this specific context. Or for the summer, I might ask, are parking permits different during the summer, that sort of thing. So if you have a very sort of specific question, it helps to give it that context on the front end. But I did ask it for generic parking information, so that's what it gave me. And then, of course, let's take a look and see. It takes me to the transportation services page. It loaded in a weird way, but there we go. Transportation services. I don't know why. Don't blame AI or TritonGPT for that. That was my web browser just doing weird things. It did take me to the right page. All right, folks, thank you for watching. We'll see what's next.